Question 17. Element X and element Y are in period 3 of the periodic table. Element X is either phosphorus or sulfur. Element Y is either sodium or magnesium. So he gives us here some information about element X and element Y. He needs from us to detect them. First of all, element X forms an oxide that reacts with water to give a solution containing the aqueous anion XO4 minus 2. Okay, so how can we detect the element X from this information? As we know, here we have two elements, phosphorus and sulfur. In case of sulfur, it can give us, yes, it can give us SO4 minus 2. SO4 minus 2. This is sulfate. But in case of phosphorus, phosphorus can react with oxygen by this way to be BO4 minus 3. Okay, so it is not phosphorus, but it is sulfur. So one of C or D is correct. Then he said 1 mole of element Y reacts with 1 mole of chlorine molecule. Chlorine molecule, it means Cl2. Okay, if it reacts with 1 mole of element Y, both of the element Y and chlorine will get consumed totally at the end of this reaction. So here we need something that can react with this chlorine. If we consider the element Y is sodium, for example, so sodium, it should if we need to react sodium, how many mole of sodium should we add here? Because here we have Cl2 is 2 chlorines, it needs 2 sodiums. Okay, so as we said, to consume all of chlorine mole, 1 mole of chlorine, we need 2 mole of sodium. But he said here 1 mole of element Y, 1 mole of element Y. So sodium is not correct. But in case of magnesium, Mg plus Cl2, because we know magnesium is positive 2 and chlorine is Cl2, so it will give me MgCl2. Both of 1 mole of magnesium and 1 mole of chlorine got consumed totally to give me MgCl2. So the correct answer is D. The element Y is sulfur because it gives me SO4 minus 2. This is sulfate. And element Y is magnesium, as 1 mole of magnesium can react with 1 mole of chlorine, and both of them, they got consumed totally at the end of this reaction.